Back to normal. As simple as a thing. I like the simple things. So basically this is a gadget, as I was not talking because it was an ASMR unboxing video. So this is a gadget of charging anything if you want to, but I don't know why we use this. So basically it's a, I don't know, power type of thing, a strange thing which I don't know why we use. It says protect what you love. Why is that? Why is this? I don't know. So yeah, basically we tested my camera because we are charging it. So always when I charge my camera, and it literally in one day the battery all leaks of this camera. So that's why I charge in my every video the camera. And I'm trying to get a mic, but I don't want to get a mic. So yeah, but why is it showing a wrong time? It's not 6, it's 3:19 PM. So the watch is saying 3 and that. So let's set the time. So let's set it. Now it's showing the right time. 3:15 here, 3:15 there. So but it's 3:20. So this watch is 5 minutes back. So let's set it to 3:20. Oh, this thing. This is the sharpener. 3:20 has it's 91. So now it's set. So let's talk about this gadget over here. Why is this used? So we have some features, safety things and connectivities. In Europe we have like this, in Switzerland like this, India like this, China like this. Everywhere we have a new type of thing. So let's search why we use this thing. So let's first unlock my phone, then go to Google Lens, and I have removed the modification in my phone. I didn't like it so much. I was feeling very sick when I was like this. When I put my modification on in my phone, so I was feeling not good. So I just removed it and now I'm feeling good. I don't know what happened. So yeah, let's search from here. I searched about this image. Why do we use this? And now tap on search. Why? Wait. Why do we use this. So it's saying, and Eco-Link injection reel is used to extend the reach of electrical output and provide power to multiple devices. Okay, so it's for if we need to charge multiple things, or the plug is very far away, or like this, then we can use it to power on with everything. So it's a home appliances also when the main power source is far away. Yes, like I told you, when multiple appliances need to be plugged in similarity. So like I told you, when the plug is far away. Okay, so I understand. So it's a nice gift for my birthday. For myself, I brought this with my money. So yeah, it's made in India only. So yeah, and this is also the thing I brought for myself as my birthday gift 10 days ago or 5 days ago, 6-7 days ago I think. I brought this with my pocket money and that with my pocket money, both. So this is a pencil box which I will take for school, and I also have kept my pen inside it. That's my pen. Now this is not a sponsor, okay? This is the Reynolds Vista RT. This is the green color of Vista RT Reynolds. Hey, go inside, man. That's the Reynolds Bright Desi pen. That's the old Pentonic normal version of LINC Link. And that's the fair glass ball with smooth handwriting, and it's literally very smooth when I study. So let me make you clear. Look, so smooth. So look at the handwriting, it's so smooth. And I have the Faber-Castell correction pen, which is now almost empty. And this is the new Pentonic Evo, which everyone in my class gets crazy about this pen. Everyone says like, wow, kya pen hai, wow, they got crazy. But this is a new pen. It was launched in December 2024, and it's also very good. I also like it. A smooth handwriting, but it's almost clear. Look, it's almost getting over the ink, so I need to get a new one. No problem. And I also have the SRX Fair. Everyone is crazy about this pen also. This is a black pen. Look. And I also have this pencil. And this is the pencil of Domes Carbon Super Dark for my sketching. Look, like I made this. For example, I make a house. So it's a normal, but it's not sharp. When it will be sharp, it will be much better. A sharpener of domes, a eraser of domes, a heavy stick, and thus that's all what I have in my video. And it's super light and super big. Bus. That's my old pouch when I took it, and it still has pens inside it. It has a aqua gel and the best pen for jumping. Cello Joy Aarti. But it's not the best now. Bas, that's all for today's video. I recommend you take this thing. It's not a sponsor, I'm just recommending you guys. So yeah. And I check the price for you guys only, okay? मैं मतलब अपने लिए प्राइस चेक नहीं करता क्योंकि मैं खुद लाता हूँ अपने लिए, तो मैं अपने लिए क्यों करूँ? मैं आप लोगों को बताने के लिए करता हूँ कि अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप ले सकते हो। तो मैं आपको अभी भी आपको बता देता हूँ इसका प्राइस क्या है। मुझे तो पता है, मैं आपको बताता हूँ फ़ोन या गैजेट के द्वारा कि आपको पता चल जाए। द प्राइस ऑफ इकोलिंक एक्सटेंशन रील, so that's the price, 299 or 379 rupees. You can get it. I brought it from Amazon. Just kidding. I brought it from Blinkit, not Amazon. So the next video maybe will be about iPad Mini 2. What if we spray Deo on iPad Mini 2? But of course I will not spray many. I will not spray so much that it got destroyed. No, I will not do it. I'm not that crazy people who do this. That's crazy. Don't watch people who do this nonsense by breaking electronic items. Literally, I was watching that video and the next day my Vivo broke. Don't watch it. It is a bad black magic for you guys if you have a great phone. And fan, look at the fan. And this is my cube, 2x2. I have more. I will show you in my next video. I think I showed